Today we're looking at a cocktail that's not rocket science, but it's always cool to make and cool to look at. I'm showing you guys how to make a Blue Lagoon. Let's go!
Oh yeah, I'm feeling real good.
Let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want blue Curaçao, vodka, lemonade, and today's glass of choice, a hurricane glass. So standard recipe says you want to use a highball and polarized vodka, but I want to use a hurricane and iceberg, so it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Let's get some ice in our glass, and as always I'm using that Ziploc bag because I'm making cocktails at home. So we're actually going to be making this cocktail direct to glass, so we're not going to need a mixing glass or a shaker. That said, it's time to freak out with your ingredients. I'm gonna be using 1 1/4 of blue Curaçao. They usually say 1 ounce, but a little extra doesn't hurt. Then 1 1/4 ounce of your vodka. Oh, it's looking gorgeous already. And then lastly, we're gonna top it up with my fresh lemonade. Now you can use concentrated, it doesn't matter. I just felt a little special today, so I'm using fresh. Hopefully it doesn't spill everywhere. There we go, we got some spillage. We're not worried about the spillage though, it's fine. Now I'm just gonna quickly stir it up, get everything mixed together. And you can just see it has that nice frigid color. Oh yes, I like the gradient as it gets darker further down. Beautiful. Lastly, we're gonna slip on our garnish, which is gonna be a lemon wheel for me. You can use a lemon slice, but look at this thing, man, it's so sexy. How could you not wanna use a lemon wheel? Come on now. And just like that, our Blue Lagoon is complete. All that's left is to give it a quick taste test to see just what we're dealing with. Ooh! Oh God. That's nicely smooth. It's tropical, vibrant, it gets you feeling ready for the spring and summer. I recommend it. It's tried and true. Honestly, you can't go wrong with a Blue Lagoon. Let's be real, it's blue. You can't go wrong. But don't take my word for it. You take the sip and love life. You know the drill. You like my content, you like the videos I'm pumping out, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you for the next cocktail, which should be, if my brain is working properly, in about maybe 4 to 5 days. As always, like I said, I like to keep that 5-day interim or time span between videos. But yeah, the next one should be super fun. I have a few in mind that I wanna dabble in, maybe something red or something green, but we'll see. Now I'm gonna go and enjoy this Blue Lagoon. You enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you for the next, I'll see you for the next video, okay? Be there. It's gonna be a good one, I hope. And don't forget to hit that notification button, okay? You need to know when I'm posting videos. I'll see you later.